Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2016 200 Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include flex fuel vehicle, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, MP3 decoder, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, rear window defroster and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.